Dear students, I welcome you all to the class of English Compulsory second year. We have been dealing with active voice and passive voice for last 3 classes. In the previous class we dealt with transformation of active voice into passive voice with simple past tense and present perfect tense. Today we are going to study transformation of active voice into passive voice with past continuous tense. The structure of sentence in past continuous tense is subject plus to be, either was or were, plus verb plus ing plus object. The structure of passive voice will be subject plus to be plus being plus past participle plus by plus object. Let us see this with the help of following examples. The first example which I have taken here is John and Mary were playing tennis. This sentence is written in past continuous tense because the verb of this sentence is having ing participle, and before the verb with ing participle, the helping verb of to be belonging to past category where is written. So where playing is past continuous tense. So the tense of the sentence is past continuous tense. John and Mary were playing tennis. We have to follow certain common rules. First of all, we have to identify subject, verb and object in the given sentence. Then we have to concentrate our attention on the tense of the sentence. To identify the tense of the sentence, we have to concentrate our attention on the verb in the sentence. John and Mary is subject, where playing is verb, tennis is an object. So the sentence has SVO structure. The passive voice structure is subject plus to be plus being plus past participle of the main verb plus by plus object. Again our sentence will begin with object, that is tennis. It is singular, so was is the correct helping verb here. After was we have to write being. It will be followed by past participle of the main verb, that is played. That will be followed by, and after that we have to write subject. So John and Mary is proper noun, so there would not be any change in it. So the correct answer is tennis was being played by John and Mary. Come down to the next example. He was painting a picture. In this sentence, he is subject, was painting verb, a picture is an object. So it has SVO structure. Our answer will be object plus to be plus being plus PPME plus by plus subject. So a picture is the subject in passive voice. It is singular, so was is the correct helping verb. After that we have to write being. Being is followed by past participle of the main verb, that is painted. After that we have to write by, and we have to write passive form of subject, that is him. So the correct answer is a picture was being painted by him. Come down to the next example. They were performing religious rites. They is subject, were performing, verb, religious rites, object. So the sentence has SVO structure. Were performing is past continuous tense. So we have to again follow the same passive voice structure, that is subject plus to be plus being plus past participle of the main verb plus by plus object. Our answer will begin with religious rites. It is plural in form, so where is the correct helping verb? After where we have to write being. Being is followed by past participle of the main verb, that is performed. After past participle of the main verb we have to write by. After by we have to write passive form of subject, that is them. So the correct answer is religious rites were being performed by them. The next example is I was collecting flowers. Here in this sentence I is subject, was collecting is verb, flowers is an object. Due to the presence of was collecting, the sentence is written in past continuous tense. Our answer will begin with object, that is flowers. Flowers is plural, so where is the correct helping verb? After that we have to write being. Being is followed by past participle of the main verb, that is collected. After collected we have to write by. By is followed by passive form of I, that is me. So the correct answer is flowers were being collected by me. After studying how to convert sentence with past continuous tense into passive voice, let us proceed ahead with the discussion of sentence with past perfect tense. We know that the verb which is with helping verb of to be, to have, verb with past participle form with helping verb of to have denotes that the sentence is having perfect tense. As far as past perfect tense is concerned, helping verb of to have, that is had, is used. After had there is past participle form of the main verb. So the structure is subject plus had plus past participle form of the main verb plus object. While converting such sentence into passive voice, we have to follow the structure, that is subject plus had plus been plus past participle of the main verb plus by plus object. Let us understand this with the help of following examples. The first example is John and Mary had played tennis. In this sentence, John and Mary is subject, had played verb, tennis is an object. While converting active voice into passive voice, we have to begin our answer with object, that is tennis. Tennis is followed by the helping verb of to have, that is had. Had is followed by been, and been is followed by past participle of the main verb, that is played. After that we have to write by, and by is followed by passive form of subject, that is John and Mary. John and Mary is proper noun, therefore it will be written as it is, there would not be any change in it. So the correct answer is tennis had been played by John and Mary. Another example is he had painted a picture. This sentence also is written in past perfect tense. The sentence is having SVO structure. He is subject in this sentence, had painted is verb, and a picture is an object. So this sentence has SVO structure. The passive sentence of this active sentence will begin with object, that is a picture. It is followed by the helping verb of to have, that is had, a picture had. Had is followed by been. After been, past participle of the main verb is written, that is painted. A picture had been painted. After that, by is written. After by, we have to write passive form of subject, that is him. He will be converted into him. So the correct answer is a picture had been painted by him. The next example is they had performed religious rites. This sentence also is written in past perfect tense because the verb had performed is in past perfect tense, therefore the sentence is in past perfect tense. It has SVO structure. They is subject, had performed is verb, religious rites is object. So we have to begin our answer with an object, that is religious rites. After that we have to write had. Had is followed by been. Been is followed by past participle of the main verb, that is performed. Performed is followed by by. After that we have to write passive form of subject, that is them. So the correct answer is religious rites had been performed by them. The next example is I had collected flowers. This sentence also is written in past perfect tense, as the verb of the sentence had collected is in past perfect tense. So the tense of the sentence is past perfect tense. This sentence has SVO structure. I is subject here. Had collected is verb. Flowers is an object. So the answer is flowers had been collected by me. Here are some examples for exercise. The first example is he was eating an apple. This is written in past continuous tense. So the sentence is having SVO structure. His subject was eating is verb and apple is object. So the answer is an apple was being eaten by me. The next example is they were drinking juice. They is subject, were drinking verb, juice is an object. So the answer is juice was being drunk by them. The next example is the mother was teaching the child. The mother is subject, was teaching verb, the child is an object. So the answer is the child was being taught by the mother. The next example is Meena was making a kite. Meena is subject, was making verb, a kite is an object. So the answer is a kite was being made by Meena. The next example is she was writing a poem. Again, this sentence is written in past continuous tense. She is subject, was writing verb, a poem is an object. So the answer is a poem was being written by her. The next example is she had seen unicorn in the garden. Due to had seen, the sentence is in past perfect tense. The sentence has subject, verb and object SVO structure. The answer is unicorn in the garden had been seen by her. COVID-19 had affected the world. Next example is COVID-19 had affected the world. In this sentence, COVID-19 is subject, had affected is verb and the world is an object. Our answer will begin with an object, that is the world. The world is followed by had, it is followed by been, it is followed by affected, it is followed by, then COVID-19. So the correct answer is the world had been affected by COVID-19. Teachers had called the students for online classes. In this sentence, the teachers is subject, had called, verb the students for online classes is an object. So the answer is the students for online classes had been called by the teachers. Jim Corbett had killed the tiger. In this sentence, Jim Corbett is subject, had killed is verb, the tiger is an object. So our answer will begin with an object, that is the tiger. It is followed by had, then it is followed by been, it is followed by past participle of the main verb, it is followed by, it is followed by subject converted into object, that is Jim Corbett. So the correct answer is the tiger had been killed by Jim Corbett. The next example is Tembu had seen tiger in the tunnel. Here in this sentence, Tembu is subject, had seen is verb, tiger in the tunnel is an object. So the answer of this sentence is tiger in the tunnel had been seen by Tembu. Students, in this sentence this saw is wrongly written, so please omit it and read the sentence as Tembu had seen tiger in the tunnel. So omitting this saw, the answer will be tiger in the tunnel had been seen by Tembu. So these were the examples for exercise and we have come across their answers as well. With this I would like to stop here. In the following class we shall deal with rest of the varieties of active voice sentences and we shall deal with their conversion from active voice into passive voice. So I would like to remain here. Rest of the things we shall continue in the following class. Thank you very much.